High school English game. Using single words for phrases and sentences. Words denoting numbers. Question 11. A number of artistes, dancers or acrobats. A. Mob. B. Rabble. C. Troupe.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
The correct answer is C. Troupe. A number of artists, dancers or acrobats, is troupe. Question 12. A collection of angels. A. Group. B. Crowd. C. Host. Question 13. A number of persons, of the same race, character, etc. A. Custom. B. Culture. C. Tribe.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
The correct answer is C. Tribe. A number of persons, of the same race, character, etc. is tribe. Question 14. A number of beautiful ladies. A. Beauty. B. Bevy. C. Slender.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
The correct answer is B. Bevy. A number of beautiful ladies is bevy. Question 15. A number of soldiers. Army. Troop. Battalion. A. Force. B. Regiment. C. Garrison. Question 16. A number of sailors manning a ship. A. Captain. B. Crew. C. Seaman.